How are you? How are you? How are you guys? How are you guys? Hello, fam. Hello, fam. How are you? How things? How is your how is your day? How is everything going at your side? Yesterday was Saturday. I think today is Sunday. This is around 1 o'clock a.m. So today is Sunday. So we are preparing for next week. We are preparing for this week seriously, which is the week I started today. Self. Today is Sunday, which we are preparing for the remaining weeks. So may Almighty God help us through this week. As you all know, I've been your guy, Abuji 001. So as you all know, we just be focusing on our top down analysis for the week to see what the week has for us. Since since there's nothing we want just to just market should give us what we are expecting from him, which is blueprint. You should print all the blue for us. We do not want red this week because we collected red last week. I remember from Monday to Friday, I'm just chopping stop loss. I'm just eating stop loss, seriously. So lest I forget, please kindly subscribe, share, comment and like, please, since you found this video, I think it's useful for you, so let it be useful for others too, seriously. I really appreciate. Please. You all know, we just do our top down analysis since it's not too much and it's not even critical. So we just focus on what the chat asks for us and see what, and we should react. We just only react to the chat. We don't predict. You understand? Since we see something is going up, what do? We react to it now since it is good. So if we do not see something, that is main prediction, because we do not see it, we do not see where it's going. So we don't predict the market, we just react to it. So let's just react to what market asks for us and see what we can do for this week. You understand? So guys, so fam, I'm sorry for it. So fam, let's just go inside it. Let's just go inside the chat and see what it asks for us, so we can prepare for the week. So I pray. So it should print the blue for us. We do not want red this week. So we react to the market. If market change direction, so we just react to it again to continue the direction market gave us. So as we all now, let's quickly move to what we have. You all know, since I've already said it, if we want to start our trading, we just enter the forestfactory.com to see what news has for us. Maybe there is a high impact news or there is no high impact news. Since we are out there, you can see which is tomorrow is September 15. Yeah, remain 15 days to close till in this September. Almost 3 months remain for us to chop blueprint. So I pray God should help us through. So as you all know, we now have high impact news, you can see, which is tomorrow. Market is going to slow. There is holiday in JPY. There's already in all the JPY currency are going to slow, seriously. We are all JPY currency that they are paying with it are going to slow. They have already told us that there is bank holiday. I've already said, if we see this ash like this, there's no any news. Maybe there's holiday in that country. And if you see yellow like this, there is low impact news, which means the news that is going to come out is not going to affect the market too much like that. If you see all this orange, this medium impact news, which is not even, it will just better than this low impact news, but it will not be affected too much. But since if we all see red, that is definitely high impact news. Just prepare your analysis. If your analysis align with it, so market just give you like this. You see, you see like this. This is this is your see. So I'm talking like this. If you see, this is impact news. This is impact news. This is impact news. So let's move to September 15, which is tomorrow. Today is 14, which is tomorrow. This is September 15. If you all see, we do not have high impact news. There's no high impact news in the market. But around 130, we have medium impact news, which is Empire State Manufacturing Index. This is it. Actual greater than forecast. Even they just give us the analysis of the chart of their incoming news. You understand? We see this is the last month, which is September 15. They drop what they drop, which is their previous one, which is July 15, is 5.5, while their forecast one is minus 1.3. But definitely the news has impact. It has 11.9, which means their actual is greater than their forecast. And if you all look, this is previous one, which is last month. It is 11.9, and the forecast they are looking up is going to low. See, is going to low than this previous one, which is 4 point. It's low than this previous one, which is 4.1. But they are looking to actual. If you all see effect, usual effect, me actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. So they are looking for the actual to greater than the forecast. Seriously. So let's just move to the chat and see what chat has for us. Seriously, to continue the yap 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 yap. Welcome, well. So let's just move to the chat and see what is happening. So this is it. Yap yap yap. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You all know I all start my analysis from monthly time frame, because it gave me the general overview of the market, in which direction the market is going, and what it has for us. So as you all see, market has already created another high here. As well, high again. If you see, market created low here, market created high here. It give us another higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high here, higher low. This is the low that gave us this high. You see, this is the low that gave us that, and market give us low again, and this is the low that gave us this high. If you see, market give us low again, this is the low that give us another higher high again. If you also market come back, give us another low here, and this is the low, this is the higher low that give us another higher high here, which means the direction of the market is telling us we are still in bullish. We are still in bullish. Some people said, I think USA. I read the news. USA said around 2026 or 2030, gold should be 4,000. So gold should be in 4,000. If you all see gold, it's not coming back. It's just going forward. It's just going uptrend. Hmm. What do we do in daily, in monthly, weekly time frame? The weekly time frame it's not just too much. If you all see, the monthly time frame say is aligned with is it is it's aligned with the monthly time frame, which is giving us what is giving us bullish, bullish, bullish. But what I did here, I just put on the weekly key level, which is the 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 low that gave us the high, or the high that gave us the low in a downtrend, in an uptrend. The recent low that gave us the recent higher high, the recent lower, the recent higher low, the recent higher low that give us the recent higher high. If you see, this is the recent lower, this is the recent higher low, and this is the recent higher high here. If you all see, market broken it give us another break of structure here. If you all see, which is market has created higher high again, higher high again. But if you all see, this is the low that is giving us the higher high. If you all see, it's giving us like this, it's giving us like this, it's giving us like breakouts. What did I do in daily time frame? Daily time frame is just the recent swing low and the swing high market created. If you all see, this is the previous one market created. This is the previous swing low that gave us this, that market broken it, that gave us this higher high here. If you all see, this is the higher high market gave us here. Market gave us this higher high, which means then before we are expecting market to come back here. If market come back here, this one will push it back to continue the bullish. But market did not come back. It's created another low here. It created another higher low here and higher high here. If you all see, this is the higher high here. This is the higher low here because market retest created another higher low and give us this higher high. And if you all see, this is the higher high here. This is the recent higher high market gave us. And what the market is doing? Market has not give us another what? It hasn't give us another. It doesn't give us another another higher high. It's just playing around here. If you all see the market, it's just playing around here. It give us the higher high and it's trying to push it, but buyer and seller they are fighting for the market. If you all see the candlestick is giving, but I'm not a candlestick trader. So I'm trying to study those candlestick, but it's not for me seriously. So I goes for what's it's easy for me. I don't like stressing my 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 mental head too much. And as if you all see, as mark in daily time frame, what they have, we still have uptrend. So what we just do is just to continue to join this market seriously. If we don't want to have the headache, we just need to join the market. And what we just need, if we want to see the market as a reverse, is when the market break out this lower higher low. If market breaking this low like this, it will turn to what? Lower low. And we will continue the what? The bearish. So as for now, let's go to 4 hours. What's 4 hours for us? For what we just need in 4 hours is only just to join the market, to join the trend, to join the trend seriously. That's what we need in 4 hours. If you all see, market is in here. For 4 hours, what do we have? If we can read the market very well for 4 hours, let's see. This is the low and this is the high. This low gave us this what? It gave us this high. It gave us this high and retest and retest and what give us another low, and which low give us this high, and then this high give us this low, which market swept the liquidity here. Market just swept the liquidity. There's liquidity here. That's why market swept it. And this low gave us what? It gave us this high, which it give us another break of structure. And this low was give us what? Give us this high, which is give us another break of structure again. If you all see, and this low give us this high. Our market do what? Give us another break of structure again. Give us another low. And this low give us what? This high. And if you check, this is another break of structure. And this low was give us what? This high. Market did what? Market, market give us another lower low here. And if you all see, since we are in bullish, we are expecting market to come here. We are expecting market to come here. Those key level here, they are previous one. They are previous one. So that's why I did not dated it. So since in 4 hours, 4 hours is telling us what? if we use our trend line here, it's telling us downtrend here. It's telling us downtrend. But market media is here. Let's just follow the trend and see what is happening. Sorry, let's just follow the trend and see what is happening. What we just need now, since the market has given us another break of structure here, and this is the low, what we need is just to read the market. We just need to read the market for 4 hours to read the recent trend in 4 hours and 1 hour. Seriously, if we do not see any recent trend in 1 hour, we move to 4 hour. Sorry, if we would not see anything for 4 hours, we move to 1 hour to see what is happening in 1 hour. And if you all see, this is change of character, because the other block, that other block did not low. It gave us another what? It gave us another lower low. Give us- It gave us another lower low, and this is the low. And if you all see, this one too gave us another what? It gave us another low here, which means this candlestick exceeded this first one, which means this other block is what? Is valid. Seriously, the other block is valid. If you also market has not broken it, oh, market is just playing around it. If market broke it, market has changed to another. It has give us another. It has given us the bullish sign. But as for now, in 4 hours, we are still looking for market. Maybe it will continue the downtrend or the bullish trend. This is break of structure here. We have break of structure. We have change of character here. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's one that it's 1 hour that has the final say for us. If you see the 1 hour, what the 1 hour is doing? 1 hour is giving us break of structure also. If you see, this is the break of structure here, this is another break of structure here, this is another break of structure here. And if you also, we can say this is our change of character. This is our change of character here. And this change of character is did what? It's valid. And if you all see, market is just playing around here. As market mitigated this 1 hour order block, what did it do? It's coming back. But since it's coming back, market has not give us the clear view. Seriously, it was not clear. We are saying it's downtrend, but market is doing what? It's doing uh, is doing support and resistance. If we move to 13, if you move to 30 minutes, 30 minutes is giving us break of structure here, and it's giving us change of character. Market come back here, sweep the liquidity, and it's coming down. Mhm. And let's move to 15 minutes. Let's read what 15 minutes is telling us. This is the 15-minute time frame. The reason why I said the reason why this one is not this is not break this one. So I used to take my trade at 1 hour, but to see the clear view, we have to continue this trend. We have to move to this lower time frame. Seriously, to continue, because if you say we want to continue, because we cannot continue this trend on this higher time frame unless we give, unless if market broken this low, retest and come back. Seriously, that's why we are going to take the trade. If you want to take the trade for 1 hour, you will wait for market to break this low. if market break this low like this, definitely we are coming to it will retest. Yes, market will retest and continue the downtrend 1 hour. Seriously, that's because that's the last low that market gave us. It is the last this is the last low market gave us, seriously. So we are going to wait for market to retest, to break it, retest and come back. We are going to we are going to 1 hour to set the trap at 1 hour to be looking at 1 hour, you understand? And since it is 1 hour, since it is 1 hour, we move to 5 minutes. We move to 5 minutes for the confirmation. Seriously. And where is our stop loss, our take profit is going to be here. Our take profit is going to be here. If it's not created another low, and if it's not created another lower low, that's another break of structure, which means the down trend is what is valid. But as for now, for the confirmation of the trend, we are going to see the market to break this place, retest, and continue here. Seriously, because that this is what we can say. If market break it with full body candle, you will wait for market to break it with full body candle, retest, and come here. That is what we're going to have. That's what we're going to have. But if you want to, this is the price action here, so you understand. So if you want to use this break of this, if you want to use this um other block, 4 hours order block, we move to what 15 minutes order block, 15 minutes time frame. What for the confirmation. What we do in 15 minute time frame, we just, if you see this is break of structure here, this break of structure here, what the market did, market does just give us what, it gave us this change of character here, because that is another, because this is another low market created from 15 minute time frame, and this is the high, and this high give us another high. So what we just need is to follow this trend. Since market gave us that trend, and where is our other block? This is our other block, because this is our other block here. This is our other block here. This is our other block here. What market just it? Market just give us that trend. But I've already said, if we want to continue this market, just let us lead what? Let's wait for change of break of structure here, retest and what, and come down. That's what we are going to, that's what we are looking for, seriously. Just to continue the trend, just to continue the trend, because this is what the market is giving us. I shouldn't lie for you, but to continue the uptrend, we are to continue the uptrend, it is here. To continue the uptrend here, seriously, the uptrend is here. We can't wait for market to come here. If market come here, tram take your set your set your market, continue the uptrend, look for gassy. Let's move to XAG USD. If you all see the market too, what do we have? For monthly time frame, I've already said, for a monthly time frame, this is skill level here, and this is skill level here. If market give us another high here, it's coming down to for what? Um, for retracement and continue the uptrend. But this is where we are expecting market to come back to come and collect, to come and continue the retracement. But as for now, what do we have? Since we are in uptrend, market has not broken this high. which is another give us another high. That's not broken this skill level. I think this skill level, let's see what, since the month is has not end, let's see what we have. Let's move to weekly. Weekly, as you all know, this is the resistance, this is the high here, which means this is the previous high that gave us low, and this is the low what that gave us another high, which means break of structure. Which means break of structure. Let's move to daily time frame. What do we have daily time frame? Just our key level, our recent swing high and swing low. If you see, this is our this is our previous one, which market has not come back to do what, to 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 do what. This is the low that gave us this high. This is the previous swing high market broken, and this is the low this is the low that's created another high. This is the high that market created, and this high gave us this low, and this low gave us this high. This high gave us this low, and this low give us another this high, which means this is break of structure here. Only just we just need to continue the we just need to continue this uptrend. This is another break of structure here. Sorry, oh. Sorry. There's mosquito here. Seriously, there's mosquito here. So let's move to what daily time frame, to do what, to just see what is happening at daily time frame. And if you all see this our this way we are expecting market to come, because we have FEG here, which we are expecting market to come at. We have FEG here. From daily time frame, we have FEG there, which we are expecting market to come out to come and give us to come out to come and give us to come and trigger our trap, and continue the bullish. Let's move to the 4 hours. You see the 4 hours. What is 4 hours telling us? 4 hours is giving us 4 hours is giving us the continuation of what, of uptrend. And if you see the break of structure align with the 1 hour, only just to redefine the break of structure. How are you going to this? How we are going to redefine it? We cannot set this place as our other block, because it is liquidity. It is liquidity, which is inducement, Market is going to sweat it. But this is our other block for 4 hours, which I'm expecting market to come back. 4 hours other block to the year. Mm. If you see this 4 hours other block, I'm expecting market to come back here. And this is the low. This is the low that gave us this high. That gave us this high. Because it come back, and this is the low. If market take this low out, it has changed to reverse trend. But as for now, we are still in uptrend. Seriously, we are still in uptrend. Only just to continue. What is it? What we just need is just to continue the uptrend. Seriously, we just need to continue the uptrend. And what market is giving us for this market has not broken this high, the high that it created for 4 hours, and it has not broken the low. Let's move to 1 hour. What is 1 hour is telling us? And if you see this is the low, 1 hour is telling us. This is the low, which mean is support, and this is the high. Let's redefine it. We are redefining it, because it's the same thing, but it's because of the weak market created. So that's why we are redefining it at 1 hour time frame. We are redefining it at 1 hour time frame. This is resistance here. If you see, market is in between this zone. If you see, this is the low. Market give us the high, and this is the low. Market gives, and market sweep this as liquidity come to this low, which has mitigated, and this low is trying to push it up. But what is the market doing? Is market is trying to come back. So let's just let's just see what is going to happen here. If market if market broken this place, we are going to we are waiting for market to come here. Is it here to sweep this liquidity? There's liquidity here also to sweep the liquidity and continue the bullish, because let's use our Fibonacci retracement to see what is happening, because this is our low. This is our low market give us, and this is the high. This is the daily time frame. If you see, this is the daily time frame, and you will see it's aligned with 1 hour time frame. What we just need now is just, if you want to take our trade, is in between this 0.618 and 0.787. So it's in between. If you all see, if you want to see the confirmation, market should come here and continue the what? Continue the continue the bullish. Continue the bullish. Continue the bullish. But if you want to take trade again at FEG, at this FEG, we can take our trade, but the stop loss is going to much. The stop loss is going to too much for us to 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 take seriously. It's going to too much for us. Seriously. So if you want to take our trade, we just come here to see the confirmation. If we see double top or change of character, yeah, continue our trend. But if market broken this support, it will retest and come back and come down. So as for now, let's see what they are saying. They are saying the same thing also. Let's see 5 hours for they are saying the same thing also. We see the same thing also as 5 hours. And if you see, this for 5 hours, this is the low. This is the low that gave us this high. The market came back to it and is trying to push it up. But this it does not break this one, it does not give us higher, but this is the previous low we are still expecting, because this low did not give us the high. It did not give us the high. So we just wait for market to break this support. If market break this support, then we continue. If market break this high, it will retest and we continue the uptrend. That's it. That is it. Let's move to another pair, BTC. Let's move to BTC. Let's see what's happening BTC. Oh man. Yeah, BTC. I did analysis this afternoon, but I did not take the trade. You can see the BTC. You can see the BTC. It's trying to what? It's trying to continue the uptrend. Seriously. I will just say, I just continue the what? I continue the trend. That's what I did. This afternoon, I just opened my charts, doing back testing to check the previous, to check what is happening. My mistake for people for this, for the week, for the week, for the last week trade I took, to just be doing back testing to see what is happening. Where is my mistake? What happened? What happened? What blah 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 blah. You understand? That's what I did. I just did that. I see that. So I just see this at afternoon. As I see it this afternoon, I just let me take this trade. Let me just analyze this trade. Let me see the recent market. I just see the recent market. I see that this thing is telling me this thing is telling uptrend because that's already created as it has already created new highs. This low has already created what? Has already created higher high, which means break of structure. And I said I just set my long position here. If market here, that this is what I'm saying we should react to the market. What did I do? I just what did I did? I just react to the market. You understand? I just react to the market. Market is giving me uptrend. It has break of structure. It's giving me uptrend. So if I want to change my if market change its style, if market just breaking this low that give us this high, if market break it with what? With full body candle, with just full body candle like this. Let me see how am I yeah, with just full body candle like this. This is the low. Market just broken it with full body candle like this. You see, market just break it with full body candle like this. What's the if market break it with full body candle like this, it means what? Change of character. Market will just change of character. So as I see the change of character, I've accepted the loss. So what did I do? I will just set another opportunity for me. Market trigger is continue the downtrend. That's it. We just reacted to it. This thing is not a prediction, seriously. So that is it. That's it. Seriously, that is it. So this is another trade I took. So let's do the analysis. If you can see, market is giving us strong uptrend for monthly time frame. If you can see, this is break of structure here. This is break of structure. This is break of structure here. Market strike the liquidity because there is FEG here. This is liquidity. This is FEG. This is FEG here. This is 2022. This is FEG here. What the market did? Market just continued the uptrend. Markets If you can see for monthly time frame sef, you can read the break of structure. This is the last break of structure my market give us. What market do? Market just this is the high. What's the market do? This is breaker block. Market just give us the breaker block. Change of character. Break breaker block. Market just retest. As market retest, what is it? It continue the uptrend. All the market do, market just feed this FEG here. As market feed this FEG, it continue the uptrend. Market feed this FEG here. What the market? It continue the uptrend. Another break of structure here. So what's the market do? Because this is weekly time frame. What is that for weekly time frame? This is the low. This is the previous high, and this is the low that gave us this high. That gave us this high. That gave us this high. What the market did just come back to it to do what? To continue the uptrend. If market break this low here, it means change of character, which means market is in downtrend. Market is in downtrend. And if you all see, this is the high, this is the high here, this is market that gave us this high and come back and did what? It's trying to. So let's move to this is the this is the this is the high, this is market that gave us the high, and this is the previous high, and this is the market that gave us this one. So let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, what do we do? We found a break of structure here, and this is the low that give us this break of structure, which is one, two, and this is the previous what? This is the previous low that give us this high. That give us this high. This is the previous low that gave us this high. So market just this way as what? Inducement liquidity. Market does not hold this. It just break up and convert to feed this all this place. But me, I'm still looking for market to come down because there is FEG here, make market is not mitigated, and this serve as what inducement. But that's why market is here. Market is still here because this place has served as what? Has served as resistance because market has mitigated it once. See, market is still coming back to it. If market come back to it, it has served as what? Resistance, which means market is going to break it. Market is come down here, going to break it up. So what? Let's read this structure. This is a recent break of structure here, and this is the low that gave us this high, and this is the previous low that gave us this what? This high. Sorry, I'm sitting inside the mosquito. That's why I'm just scratching my body. So I'm sorry for that. Let's say this here. If you all see, what do we have? Markets, market just break it, go up, and this is what? This is this is zone here. This is another zone here. This is because the market is going up, come back. Market just mitigated this face and what? And continue the downtrend. As for me, market gave us break of structure here, and this is the low. This is the high that gave us what? Lower low. This is the lower high that gave us this lower low. And what? Market will just break this lower high. And as market broke this lower high, change of character, which is this is the previous low. This is the low that gave us what? This higher high that break this market. So this is the zone that I'm expecting market to do what? To reach, because today is Sunday and we are in daily candle. This is the candlestick that I'm expecting market. So if this one does not, if this one hold it or created another high, we are coming here to give us our to set our what? To set our trap here and continue the bullish. If you see for daily time frame, it's telling us what? Bullish. Why I did not pick here is because this week candle has already been mitigated those other blocks. This candles has already been mitigated. So we could just need to set our point of POI here, point of interest, which is daily order block, which is daily order block. And if you see, this is the week that take it out. So we are expecting market to come here. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what 4 hours is telling us. Yeah, if you can see the 4 hours, it's what it's aligned. It's aligned with what? It's aligned with our trend. But what we just need now is because our stop loss is going to merge seriously. We just need confirmation. We will see if you see change of character for 1 hour time frame, we are going to take our trade. But if you see, we said we should set our position here, our long position here. We see the the market is too much. The stop loss is too much for us. We can't bear for it. Seriously, we can't bear for it. But we just know that this is the zone we are taking the trade. You understand? What did I do for to continue the trend this afternoon? I just this is the, if you can see, this is the recent break of structure here. This is the recent break of structure here. Market just mitigated it and what give us the uptrend. If you move to 1 hour self, you see 1 hour. What the 1 hour is telling it's aligned with it. It's aligned with it. But we are expecting market to come here. Let's see, maybe this we send it back. This we send it back. Why market is doing, let's move to 5 minutes to confirm the entry. Let's move to 5 minutes to confirm the entry. In 5 minutes, what do we have? We have We have break of structure here. We have break of structure here. This break of structure. We have break of structure here for 15 minutes. Let's see 15 minutes. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure, and this is the high. So we are expecting market to do what? To take out this high. But to continue this trend, you can come. There's no place to continue this trend. So market has mitigated it. So market is just playing. Let's see market ask for us. Let's see market ask for us. Let me see. Let's see market ask for us because that's the resistance. We are expecting market to take this out, to take this high out. Let's see how many. Let's just set it here. Let's see what is going to happen here. If market take us out, that is nothing. So as for now, because market has not, we cannot say anything now because market has not break this high here. Because this is a change of character here. If you can see, 1 hour is giving us break of structure here, and market does not take this high. If market take this high, we the uptrend is coming. But I am seeing FEG here. I'm seeing FEG here. Maybe market is coming to here. Market is coming here to mitigate this FEG here. This FEG and continue the uptrend. So let's see what is happening. So this is, if markets give us another break of structure, we are coming here to take what? To take our trade again. So let's move towards US 30. US 30. For monthly time frame, US 30 is the us uptrend. If you can see from monthly time frame, it has given us another high here. It has given us another higher high here. You can see another high here, which means we should continue our uptrend. If you can see, market has given us another change of market has given us this is the low. This is the low that give us this high, which this is the low. This is the recent low that's giving us this high for because this are servers as this are servers are these are key level which are servers resistant to support, and this is the recent one. Let's move to daily time frame. What daily time frame is telling us? This daily time frame, this is what? This is break of structure. Market has given us this break of structure, and this is what? This is this is other block. This is the other block because market has already created. This is the high. This is the low that's given us this high. But market has, weak candle has already mitigated those candles, which means it does this is put back for us. Seriously, it's a pullback for us. If you use our Fibonacci adjustments from this low to this high, if you can see, market is in 50. Our trap is in 50 between 0. Between 0.6 and 0.5 and 0.161. So we can just take our trade here seriously. You can just take our trade here. But if we just said we should follow this stop loss, because if you put our stop loss, our stop loss will be large. It will be large unless some trader that has maybe $1 million, $1 million in their broker account. So this stop loss is, even say this stop loss is risky for them because they do not know the next next higher high. You understand? They don't know the next higher high since there is no key level unless they use psychological level, which I mean the psychological level will be maybe 46 I think we are in 46 now. We are 46.5. Yes, 46.5. The next psychological is 46.5. Because if you see this I, this is 45.1. And if you see this is 46.1. It will be 46.5. Our next I. So let's move to 4 hours. This 4 hours 10 years. 4 hours is 10 years, same thing, same thing. But what we can just have to do is just to set our position here. We're gonna set our position here. Our stop loss will soon be large also, if you can see. This our stop loss is not large. Yes. This way we take our trade. Give us another high. I can give us another high and continue the uptrend. So this is the uptrend. Because all those places has already been mitigated and market is coming here. I'm expecting market to come here to continue the uptrend. Seriously. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see what's 1 hour is happening for us. 1 hour two is what it's aligned with it. Because if we want to follow 1 hour, we will take our trade here. If you see 1 hour is giving us break of structure, market with mitigated come back. So I'm expecting market here. I'm expecting market here. Seriously, I'm expecting market here. Just wait for markets. Let's wait for market here. Let's wait for market there. So I'm waiting for market. So let's move. Let's see another pair. Let's see the GBPJPY. For monthly time frame, it's telling us uptrend. It's telling us, this is the key level I'm expecting market to come back. This is the key level because markets this is the high market created. If you see, this is the high. It gives us another higher high. Market comebacks. It's giving us internal higher high here, higher high. Come back, come back. Give us another higher high. Give us higher high here. If you see this is high, come back. Give us another higher high here. Come back. Give us another higher high here. Come back to this place, give us another higher higher. Investigate this low, give us another what? It does not give us another higher. This is the key level I'm expecting market safe. This is the key level for monthly time frame. Let's move to weekly time. Let's see what is happening for weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this zone, this key level, this weekly key level is the one is trying to the buyer are trying to push it up while the seller are not and the market are not they are not agreeing from the buyer but for the weekly this is the all high time frame weekly created, so we are expecting market to come back to come here. If it created high is coming here, then what give us this monthly. Let's see what is happening. This is the key level, this is the low, this is the support. This is support. This is the resistance. It is support before it turned to resistance. It turned to resistance. Or market is trying to push it up. Let's move to the daily time frame. What is happening in the daily time frame? Daily time frame. This is the low. This is the swing low that gave us the swing high. This is the previous swing. This is the previous swing low that gave us what? This swing high. Market breaking it and gave us another swing and give us this new swing was swing high and this is the swing low. And this one as I mark it as minus swing low. Seriously, as I mark it as minus swing low. If it's trying to push it up to create another higher high, with full body candle. I'm not seeing this weak candle as high. I'm waiting for a full body candle. Seriously. If I see full body candle give us high, the market has continued the bullish. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's continue the trend. What is 4 hours telling us? 4 hours is telling us this is the for 4 hours internal. This is the other block. I took this trade on Friday. I said this on Friday, but I did not take the trade. Seriously, I did not take the trade. I shouldn't lie. Um, I shouldn't lie. I did not take the trade. This is around 2 o'clock AM. This is around 2 o'clock AM. Let's just continue. So, as you all see, the market has this minor swing low that is trying to push the market up. Seriously, let's wait. Maybe it's going to give us the full body candle. For let's move to one hour. Let's see 2 hours. Maybe opportunities in 2 hours. There's opportunity in 2 hours. Sef. Let's move to 1 hour. Let's see since 1 hour is our final say, is our final entry. If you can see the 1 hour, this is the other. This is the other block. This is the other block for 1 hour. This is the other block for 1 hour, but it will be low. So we gain redefine it from 1 hour, and this is the 1 hour, and this is the low. We shouldn't lie. This is the low that gave us this high. Seriously, this is the low that gave us. And if we say we set our we should set our stop loss here, it will be too much for us. Seriously, it will be too much for us. You see, it will be too much for us. And this has already been mitigated. This candles, we candles already mitigated. That's why we are setting our stop loss to the nearest one. And as we are setting it to the nearest one, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? What do we have? We are having this break of structure. This is a break of structure. And if we let's say we use Fibonacci adjustments, this is the low. This is the low to swing high. So let's just expect the market from here. This is 0 point. If we said we want to take the market at here, it's okay. It's okay. You can take the market here also. You can take the market here also. You can take the market here also, because it is in between 0.5 and 0.1. So we can take the market in between here. But if you say want to take the market, we can take the market at 0.7, which is our stop loss will be out here. Our stop loss will be out there. So that's just we just continue this. This is an uptrend. Let's move to USJP JPY. This market is not giving us Fibonacci monthly time frame. Hmm? Monthly time frame. What's monthly time frame is giving us bullish. Yes, it's giving us monthly time frame. If you all see, it's giving us bullish. Seriously, to continue the bullish, let's just move to weekly. Let's see what is happening weekly. Weekly two, weekly. This is the low. This is which serve as support, and this is the resistance. This is the high it gave us. This is high I gave us, and this where I'm expecting market. Market has already mitigated with candle already. So this is where I'm expecting market to be. Seriously, this is the key level I'm expecting market, because this is the key level market has already mitigated. This is the key level. Let's see what is going. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's see for daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is the low. This is the low that gave us this high, which market has not mitigated. Seriously, market has not. If you see, market has not mitigated this low. Seriously, market has not. This is the previous low. This is the previous low. This is the previous low that gave us this high. That gave us this high. Which market was has not come to mitigate it because there's FEG. There's FEG means market has mitigated. And it came back to this low. And this is the if you can see this is the low that give us another high. Market come back to it. It's trying to push it up and come back to it again once again. And it's trying to push it up. You can see this is one. This is the one. This is the one. This is the two. This is the three. And markets and what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing uptrend. Seriously, I'm seeing uptrend because market is in between here. Is in between here, which has served as support and resistance. It has served as support and resistance. You just need full confirmation. If market breaking this, if market break this, sorry for if market break this low, it will come here and mitigate here and continue the bullish. Seriously. Let's move to the 4 hours time frame. What we have 4 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame is telling me this is a break of structure here. Change of character here. Market mitigated it. And do what? What I'm expecting market should do. Market mitigated here. And this is if you see this break of structure, this is break of structure which mitigated this way. This break of structure which mitigated this block, and this is another break of structure which candlestick which mitigated this block because there's FEG here. If you see there is FEG here, there is FEG there, and market there is FEG there. Seriously, market mitigated the FEG. It did not come back to this other block. It didn't come back to this other block. Okay, there is mitigated. If we redefine the market for 1 hour, if we redefine the market for 1 hour, this is it. This is it. I just I just cancel it. I just cancel it. Market mitigated it. Let's see 2 hours. This is 2 hours. We redefine it. We redefine that 4 hours. That's 4 hours order block. We redefine it to 2 hours. We redefine market mitigated it. And this is the break of structure. This is the low. This is the low that gave us this because this is the low. This is the previous low that gave us this high, and this is the low that gave us this high. If you see, market is a change of character here. Let's move to 1 hour. Market is a change of character here. This is giving us downtrend seriously, and if you say this is 1 hour order block. This is 1 hour order block. This is 1 hour order block. Hmm. To confirm this market is for 5 minutes. Let's see 5 minutes. What 5 minutes ask for us? This market is still downtrend. Nothing we can, nothing. Because this is the low. This is the break of structure here, and this is the low that gave us this break of structure, which market took it out to give us lower low. If you see, this is the low. This market give us lower low. Market has been giving us break of structure here. If you see, this is other break of structure here. Market is coming here. If market mitigated here, it's coming down. And there's FEG here. This USDJPY is get at its base. Seriously, let's read from a one hour time frame. If you can see the 1 hour time frame, this 1 hour time frame here, this is the high that give us this low, and this is the high that give us it. Let's use our Fibonacci retracement. Let's see what is happening for Fibonacci. If you use our Fibonacci retracement, this market is downtrend. It's downtrend. It's downtrend. This market is downtrend. Let me see, this market is downtrend. Seriously, our our ah this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing downtrend, and this is the low that gave us this break of structure. If market took this out, we are seeing uptrend. But as for now, I'm seeing downtrend. I'm seeing uptrend. I'm seeing uptrend. I'm seeing downtrend at the same time. Man, I fear this market too. Huh. Let's follow the trend. Seriously, let's follow the trend. Let's follow the trend. I'll just follow. I'll just follow the trend. Seriously. Let's just follow the trend. This is FEG. FEG. Don't let us force the markets. As we see what the market is splitting out, you just join the market. And if you can see this FEG is here, market has not mitigated this FEG, this liquidity swept itself for 15 minutes, even for 5 minutes. Let's see what's 5 minutes as well. There's FEG here, this other block that's market. If market take that uh higher lower high out, is it market has changed to uptrend. As market is changing, we are reacting to it. So as I'm seeing now, this is downtrend. This is downtrend because I'm seeing this is inducement here for me. Liquidity, which market is coming here, market mitigated it, come back, come downtrend. Time has gone. Oh, I gas post this thing this night. I gas post it this morning, this early morning. I gas post it seriously. I'm expecting yeah, because this is the low. I'm expecting market here. I'm expecting the market here. I think market is yeah, yeah. Let's see what market has. This is what I see, and I'm going this URUSD Euro USD. This pair, I don't think I'm going to change it because I've already said I don't want to be disturbing my brain any much. Only just one, two, three, four, five, six. Those are the pairs I'm trying to. I've said sometimes if I see opportunity, I will just try my best. But this thing is giving me this thing is serving as liquidity. Seriously, it's giving me liquidity because there's imbalance here, which I'm expecting market to clear this buy side liquidity. If you give us another break of structure, those place this year, no, those break of structure here, internal break of structure here, they are serving as liquidity for me. Which market is coming back here to mitigate those other block. If you see, this is the low that gave us this high, and this is the low that gave us and this is the low. This is the low that gave us this high. This is the low that gave us the high. Market have taken it out, come to mitigate it this year, and giving us uptrend from one minute. You see, you see, this Friday, can do. If you say this is high, for let's say it's from this is high. Market sweep the liquidity, give us break of structure. Market is coming, give us break of structure here. Let's see this from 5. Since we see this market from 1 hour, let's read it from 5 minutes to see what 5 minutes is telling us. This is 5 minutes. If you can see the 5 minutes, this is break of structure here. This is not break of, this is liquidity straight for me, and this is the eye that gave us this liquidity straight, which has already changed to change of character here. This is the eye that gave us another. That's why I say I don't want to be taking this shit. I don't want to be destroying my brain. This liquidity straight also. This is break of structure here. Fam, I don't want to be disturbing my brain. So so that is it. That's it. This one also too. It's like I'm disturbing my brain. Seriously, I'm seeing this as disturbing brain. So let's look for the chart and see what's happening. It has already been giving us. So let's just see what is happening to continue the trend. So as for now, that is it. This this is what this is what 1 hour is telling us from our BTC. So that is it. Please don't forget. Kindly we try to do this 1 hour 40 minutes. So kindly subscribe, love, like, comment, and shares. So thanks. I really appreciate. So let's look forward to this week. Uh, I pray, to Almighty God, this week should favor us. We should come out in big bag. Okay, okay, fam. One love, one love.